That the land is on fire.
Carbon-based particles and these chemicals.
Haze from Indonesia has forced the closure of thousands of schools in Malaysia.
Volunteer firefighters are trying to put it out.
Hi and hello everyone. We are from Faris Petra Science Secondary School, Kelantan. Peat soil fire is one of the main causes of haze, but there is still no action taken to overcome this problem. People still using the old way to put out the fire. This takes a lot of time and energy as peat soil fire burns in the ground. Our team has designed a system to prevent peat soil fire from happening. And now introducing the Peat Soil Moisturising System. Peat soil is an accumulation of fertilely decayed vegetation or organic matter. Dry peat soil is highly flammable with 90% of fire that cause annual haze in Malaysia and also our neighbour countries such as Indonesia, Philippines and Thailand. Hence, this peat soil moisturising system will prevent peat soil fire from happening and reduce haze in Malaysia.
Let's talk about the objective and intentions of this peat soil moisturizing system design. First and foremost, of course, it is to prevent the peat soil fire as it has become a huge issue to the country and affects the creatures, also the environment. Besides, we can explore a better and effective ways on how to manage this issue as we can never take this lightly. Next, by managing the soil with this peat soil moisturizing system, we will be able to curb the haze problem in Malaysia. Lastly, it will provide a comfortable living without any pollution.
As we all know, our country often has huge problems involving peat soil. Firstly, peat soil is sensitive and needs special care as it can cause fire. For example, the reserve forest fire in Selangor. The remaining 2.8 hectare of forest fire affecting the Kuala Langat Selatan Permanent Forest Reserve is expected to be fully extinguished in 3 days. Next, the open burning activities on peatlands that are done by locals are not taken action by authorities can cause serious air pollution, such as haze, and it has many disadvantages. For example, it affects our daily routine and health. Furthermore, the peat soil fire has contributed to massive haze in Malaysia, also our neighbour countries such as Brunei Darussalam, Indonesia, Singapore and to a lesser extent, Philippines and Thailand. Lastly, haze can cause serious health effects such as asthma, conjunctivitis, nasal irritation and lung infection. The most at-risk groups are senior citizens and children. So, to curb all those problems, we came up with the Peat Soil Moisturising System. Firstly, we are having a group discussion where we will discuss how we design the Peat Soil Moisturising System and how it will work. Next, after the discussion, we will come up with a rough sketch about the system. Afterwards, we will build the system and the Arduino program for the moisture sensor. Then, we will run the test, and this is our final model.
Let's know the components that build up the system. So, this is the water tank, water pump, battery, relay module, Arduino board, soil hygrometer sensor, dry peat soil, wet peat soil, and the most important thing, the moisture sensor, which play a huge part in this system. Firstly, we use the moisture sensor to detect the moisture of both wet and dry peat soil. When the sensor is put into the dry peat soil, the monitor shows the reading 670 below. Thus, water will be pumped to the dry peat soil. On the other hand, if the monitor reading reaches 660 and above, the soil is considered moist and water will not be pumped out.
The peat soil humidity will trigger the sensor. Whenever the moisture sensor detects dry peat soil, the system will run automatically and pump water to the soil. Hence, the soil will keep moist and peat soil fire can be prevented. This peat soil moisturising system have a huge market potential, especially to farmers. This is because in Malaysia, peat soil is used in oil palm cultivation. As we all know, dry peat soil is highly flammable and can cause massive fire. Thus, it's worth every penny to invest on the system as it can prevent peat soil fire. This is due to the loss that the farmers might face can cost more. Next, this system also environmental friendly and does not harm our Mother Earth. Besides, this Peat Soil Moisturising System is our new and original invention idea and have no competition on the market for the time being.
The Peat Soil Moisturising System is a new original idea and indeed a huge move to change our world. This system predate is to prevent peat soil fire and to curb haze in order to provide comfortable living environment without air pollution. Hence, we can reduce the risk of getting serious health effects such as conjunctivitis and asthma. Lastly, this system will save operating time and human energy as it is controlled by Arduino programming.